Hey, my name is Tommy Mello. I own a company called A1 Garage Door Service. Hopefully you've heard of us. We're in 15 states, we're in 23 markets, and we came across this awesome software called Schedule Engine. It allows me to actually let customers book jobs into our capacity board. So it goes straight through our dispatch. We don't need a dispatcher or a CSR. They book online, they see the capacity, and it books the call. But more importantly, I asked my man over there, Strickland, who's an amazing guy, to be able to track each affiliate. So let's say I've got a painting company that's referring me. They go to their unique their website through Schedule Engine, and they fill out the information. The customer fills it out, and they get a credit. They're my affiliates. They can make 10% on every deal. So I've got everybody from my employees using Schedule Engine, so they get a piece of the ticket, as well as all the affiliates, whether it be a window company, a paint company. A lot of times our handymans are referring us. There's so many people that we've learned. Even the bottom rubber, the pest control companies, they're referring us garage doors because they're making a lot of money doing it. So if you're not using Schedule Engine, you need to call my man Strickland. We believe in Schedule Engine. You should too. My name's Tommy Mello with A1 Garage Doors, and I endorse them. I endorse the crap out of them.